I took on a $100,000 crypto prop firm challenge. 12 days. One goal: hit an 8% profit target without breaking any rules. Sounds simple, right? But what really happened might surprise you. Here's the full story: the wins, the setbacks, and the truth behind passing one of the most talked about trading tests in crypto. Let's go. Day 1. Fired up and stumbled. I came in confident. I had a plan, a proven strategy, and months of backtesting. First setup: BTC 15-minute breakout. Entry looked perfect, but I skipped confirmation. No volume. FOMO kicked in. Result: minus 1.2% in 30 minutes. Lesson: even a good plan breaks if your discipline breaks first. Day 2 to 3. Back to structure. I reset. Reviewed my rules: 0.5% risk per trade, no more than 2 trades a day. Only trade London and NY sessions. No news trades. One strategy: break and retest on BTC and ETH. Took 2 clean trades, both wins. Nothing big, but I followed the plan. Now I was down just minus 0.4% on the account. On track. Day 4. A small win, mentally huge. BTC pulled back into a 1-hour order block. Price showed bullish momentum. I entered long, stop below the low. Target hit plus 1.5% gain. This was the first time I felt emotionally neutral. I didn't celebrate, I didn't overtrade. I followed the process, and that felt better than the win. Day 5. The test of patience. No trades. None. The market ranged. I sat on my hands. Most traders fail challenges right here on the quiet days. But I reminded myself, you don't get paid to trade, you get paid to wait for the right trade. Day 6. ETH gave me the setup. ETH rejected a key resistance 3 times. Formed a lower high on the 15-minute chart. Clean bearish structure. I entered short, tight stop. Plus 2% in less than an hour. Now I was up 3.1% overall, nearly halfway to the goal. Day 7. The mistake I almost paid for. Saw another ETH setup, but it was a little forced. Structure wasn't clean. Volume was weak. But I was feeling confident, too confident. Entered anyway. Price faked out. Took a minus 1% loss. Lesson: confidence without discipline equals danger. Day 8 to 10. Dialed in. Took only 2 trades across 3 days. Both passed. Both followed my rules exactly. Daily risk stayed under control. Mental state: calm, focused, sharp. That's the mindset of a funded trader. By day 10, I was up 6.3% on the account. Day 11. The temptation to overtrade. I only needed 1.7% to hit the 8% target. I was tempted to go for a big position, just one trade past the challenge in one shot. But I didn't. I took one trade. Same risk. Same structure. Same plan. BTC broke resistance, retested, printed a strong bullish candle. I entered. Target hit, plus 1.2%. Day 12. The final push won. Last ETH setup, a clean order block on the 1-hour chart. I waited 3 hours for confirmation. Entered long, stop below structure. Target hit 1R. Final result, plus 8.4% in 12 trading days. Passed phase 1. But the biggest win wasn't the account. It was how I traded. No revenge trades. No over-leveraging. No emotional decisions. Here's what I learned from taking a $100,000 prop firm challenge. Discipline matters more than strategy. Emotional control is your real edge. You don't need many trades, just good ones. Patience feels boring, but pays like magic. Prop trading is a mental game first. Let's recap the journey. Started strong, but got slapped by emotion. Rebuilt from structure and risk management. Stayed consistent for 12 days. Hit the target without breaking a single rule. And now, on to phase 2 with the same mindset. This is Crypto Prop Academy, where we don't just teach trading, we teach the process of becoming a funded trader. Hit subscribe if you're on this path. See you in the next one. Stay focused, stay structured, stay funded.